In this video, I am going to show you how to change your YouTube TV location, which can affect the channels and content available to you. YouTube TV uses your current geographic location to determine the local channels and programming you receive. So changing your location is important if you've moved or are traveling. To update your location, start by logging in to your YouTube TV account on the website or app. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Settings. From there, go to the Location section. Here you'll see an option to update your home location. Enter the zip code or city of your new location and save the changes. Keep in mind that YouTube TV verifies your location using your IP address. So if you're trying to access it from outside the US, you may need a virtual private network, a VPN, with a US-based server to bypass geolocation restrictions. However, using a VPN may violate YouTube TV's terms of service, so proceed with caution. Once your location is updated, your channel lineup will adjust to reflect the local offerings in your new area, and that's all there is to it. If this video helped you learn how to change your YouTube TV location, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.